Welcome back to Acres and More Homestead. Today we are going to be making a vanilla cashmere whipped body butter. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first ingredient is going to be shea butter. Shea butter is extremely moisturizing, full of vitamins A and E, and great for repairing dry and cracked skin. Our next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that helps soften rough spots and gives the body butter a smooth, silky texture. Our next ingredient is olive oil. This is our liquid oil. It adds nourishment and is full of antioxidants and great for sensitive skin. Next up, we have cornstarch. We're using cornstarch to cut out the greasiness. This helps the butter absorb faster and feel more powdery on the skin. Next, we have vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a natural preservative and amazing for skin healing, scarring, and elasticity. And last but not least, we have our essential oils. Today we'll be using vanilla, sandalwood, and lavender. These oils will create a warm, cozy scent. Alright, we're going to get started with a double boiler. That means one pot has a lid of water and you have a heat-safe bowl on top of it. This is allow everything to melt evenly and smoothly. Add 1/2 cup of shea butter and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Once everything is melted, transfer to a large heat-safe bowl, and now we are going to be adding 1/4 cup of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Next, we're going to add in our essential oils. For this recipe, you will use 20 drops of vanilla essential oil, 10 drops of sandalwood essential oil, and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. All these scents combined together will give us that warm vanilla cashmere fragrance. Give everything a good stir so it's well combined. Now we're going to pop this in the fridge for about 45 minutes to an hour until it turns opaque and is thick like a soft butter or frosting. Once it's ready, grab your hand mixer or stand mixer and start whipping. You'll see it turn from thick to fluffy and airy, almost like whipped cream. Now we slowly add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This helps the butter absorb faster and gives it that silky, non-greasy feel. Now it's time to scoop the body butter into a clean jar. This recipe fills about an 8-ounce jar, so feel free to double it as you need to. Look how beautiful and thick this body butter is. Between the shea butter, repairing your skin, the olive oil, nourishing your skin, the coconut oil, softening it, and the vitamin E oil, protecting your skin, this stuff is amazing for winter dryness. Thank you for hanging out with me today on Acres and More Homestead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more handmade products.